Say something intelligent. Oh wait, that's impossible.
I have cancer. And she has AIDS.
Apparently I have AIDS. Well,
she's positive. HIV positive.
she's cancer positive. Look at that. She's
Can you be
cancer.
cancer positive?
Cancer!
Hey, look, it's Bob Marley.
No photographs. Look at
the accident. She rapes little boys.
No, it was.
Oh, you did too.
Oh my God! I knew. What the heck? That's probably how I got AIDS.
She's a family hopper.
No, homie hopper. I was a family hopper, but I changed my ways.
She came out of the what was? She's not in the stereotype anymore.
No.
Whatever you call it,
Well, actually, I am.
You're not a statistic.
I am, because I'm a statistic still. I'm a homie hopper.
Statistic, yes.
I'm a homie hopper. That's still a statistic.
Homie hoppers.
Okay, we need to come up with a new word. Okay, statistic. The short word for it is leaf.
It's leaf.
Yes, it's leaf.
You're a leaf.
I'm a leaf.
Marijuana leaf.
I'm not a marijuana leaf. You're a marijuana
You're a
leaf.
marijuana leaf.
Weed leaf. Oh my God, would it even be called a weed leaf? No, because it's just a weed.
I know. Wait, I thought weeds didn't have leaves. They're just weeds.
Shut up.
Do they?
That's what I just said.
But do they? Wait, no, dandelions. Wait, do they have leaves?
I don't know. We'll look it up on YouTube. Do weeds have
Google
leaves?
it.
We can Google it. Where's my car?
Right there.
Stop.